And then the other way too. In this way.
Wait a second, let me get a square knot.
Dead bird on the ground. It's like blood all over his backpack.
I don't know. My hands are so cold that like it's hard to.
You might be able to get away with that. Can you imagine that on your suspension job a little bit?
Do it diagonally so it gets across all of them. Don't just go in the half.
Dude, suspended for X-Lax brownies.
Yeah, you'll get like involved with PETA for this.
That'd be amazing. Dude, we could have a debate.
Dude, everyone hates the seagulls though. That's the difference. Here, go for it. And just throw it out like bait.
Let me do it here, Nathan. Let me do it.
So it's gonna swallow the tape and then you're gonna pull it in.
No, not that.
Let it eat the thing. Let it eat the string with it.
No, it'll eat it here. It'll pick it up and take off.
Yeah.
So you have to pull it.
What are you gonna do?
I'm just gonna pull it.
Seagull.
No, I'm not gonna take it.
Stop getting our faces. What are you doing?
Holy shit, I'm not gonna pull it out of the sky. I'm just gonna move it so it's like, what the fuck?
And even if you do, it won't pull out of the sky because this is a piece of bread.
Just leave it like that so we can reset and use the same piece of bait over and
Son
over.
of a bitch, dude. I
It'd be
can't.
so funny if it held on it so tight that he pulled on it and just pulled the seagull right out of the sky. This is so awesome. I know.
Wait, let me get it throwing it out. You should videotape because your hand's sticking out. Nate, you should videotape.
Dude, everyone back in the circle.
Oh!
Thomas.
Everyone just stand back. Stand back, everyone.
Hold on, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
Is someone gonna hit it with a backpack?
What?
It's a major fine if you do it.
I wasn't gonna pull it out of the sky.
Don't mess with them.
He's just practicing his yo-yo skills.
I know.
Here, look, see? Yo-yo.
Yeah.
Dude, see, you're breaking it though.
What do you think?
Hey, get the shot of the LD.
But they'd get scared, wouldn't they? They'd be like, oh no, I got kicked.
What if they get to my sandwich before I eat it?
I thought the school would be happy that we're.
Darn those miners in California.
Nobody likes those.
Causing so much trouble trying to make a joke.
Not even PETA likes seagulls. They forgot about him.
If you guys want to leave your trash and litter all around
The seagull
here,
put that there.
that would definitely
Oh my God, someone put
help
trash here,
because they like the trash.
When did this get here?
Items you
These
leave.
must have been the freshmen that were here before
It would
us.
sure be nice if you picked up your own trash. That would help.
Then what would the seagulls eat?
Hopefully they go away.
I'm gonna go wheel over that
Then
recycling.
they'll die. Then we'll get fined.
I think a nice quick like crushing death is way better than starvation.
Yeah. Dude, I like how she didn't come over here when you were chucking your backpack out. She came over here when we were wrapping a string.
No, she was slowly working her way over the whole time.
Let's go over here on a weekend and do that. This is Zach.
Closest thing to a trash can we can find.
What are you doing?
Where are you getting a trash can?
Let's kill a seagull and put it in the trash can. Like that's what's sticking out.
Why'd you just bring the trash can over here?
So we can throw shit away.
Yeah, so she won't get pissed at us.
Yeah, but fuck that bitch.
Oh, it did not.
Speaking of animals, here comes a rat.